What's the meaning of cartload? Cartload. Cartload.
Cartload. Cartload. Cartload is a noun that refers to the amount of goods or materials that can be carried in a cart. The specific amount varies depending on the size and capacity of the cart. It is often used as a unit of measurement for agricultural products such as hay, crops, and grains. The term also has a figurative meaning, suggesting an abundance or excess of something. For example, one might say they have a cartload of work to do, meaning they have a significant amount of tasks or responsibilities to manage.